This is how I made chicken cacciatore along with chicken with rice from The Joy of Cooking 1953. As chicken with rice actually means rice flavoured with chicken stock, it made a good accompaniment to the chicken cacciatore, for which I used 3 chicken thighs, 1 can of chopped tomatoes, a 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 1/8 of a cup of olive oil, 1/8 of a cup of white wine, and then a mix of salt, pepper, marjoram, thyme and a bay leaf. So I actually halved the recipe here. Add the olive oil to a large pan, and then when it's hot, add the chicken and cook until it's brown on either side. Then add all the remaining ingredients, stir around, put the lid on and cook for half an hour. To prepare the rice, I used a 1/2 cup of rice, a chopped small onion, and a cup of chicken stock, as well as some butter. Melt the butter in a saucepan, and then when it's melted, add the onion and cook on a low heat until it's soft and cooked throughout. Then add the rice and stir it through until it's thoroughly coated in butter. Then add the stock, stir it thoroughly to ensure that all the rice is under the stock, and then leave it to cook on a low heat. After half an hour, take the lid off the chicken to allow the sauce to start to thicken up. Meanwhile, just keep an eye on the rice until it's thoroughly cooked. Then add a knob of butter and stir it round so that all the rice is thoroughly separated and coated in butter, and then serve.